Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a flower bouquet. First, let's gather our materials. Selecting fresh flowers is key. Look for a variety of textures and sizes. You'll need essential tools like sharp floral shears, a sturdy ribbon, and a clean vase. Don't forget to pick a beautiful focal flower, which will be the star, along with some lovely filler flowers to complement it. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you have your flowers, proper preparation is crucial for their longevity. Begin by removing any leaves that would sit below the waterline in your vase. This prevents bacterial growth. Next, trim each stem at a 45-degree angle using your floral shears. This angled cut increases the surface area for water absorption. Finally, hydrate your prepared flowers in cool, fresh water for at least 2 hours before you start arranging them. This step ensures they are well nourished. With your flowers prepared, it's time for the fun part, arranging. Begin by holding your chosen focal flower firmly in one hand. Then, gradually add your filler flowers around it, rotating the bouquet as you go. The key is to use the spiral technique, where each stem is placed at an angle, crossing the previous one. This method creates a stable, well-rounded arrangement. Ensure you distribute colors and textures evenly for a beautifully balanced visual appeal. To complete your stunning bouquet, secure the stems tightly about 2/3 of the way down with floral tape or a beautiful decorative ribbon. This keeps your arrangement intact. Next, carefully place your finished bouquet into a clean vase filled with fresh, cool water. For the longest enjoyment, remember to change the water daily. Also, retrim the stems every 2 days at a 45-degree angle. With proper care, your beautiful creation will last for many days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.